Running ultramarathons have taken me to many places around the world. The Safaricom Marathon in Kenya is an excellent combination of opportunity and challenge. As a runner, the link between a healthy environment and a healthy body is so clear to me, and that's why I'm running for Team Nature. Every day, the Nature Conservancy protects special places around the world for both people and for nature. Join my team, Team Nature, and make a difference for the wildlife and the people who depend on the very lands that I'll be running.